It's actually the exact same words I would use. I would say centralization is a major risk, because once everything is controlled by one party, then it serves their interest, their commercial interest, and not necessarily the interest of passengers. Having an open system where every single transportation player can participate in equally, not having, whether it's data or drivers or passengers, concentrated in the hands of one company, is going to really open opportunities, innovation, and allow other players to participate in this ecosystem.